Um, yeah. Hey guys, here we are going to download our Node.js system on our window, and here is a step-by-step guide to installing Node.js on our Windows. So firstly, go on the search menu and type download Node.js. So download Node.js. Open your browser and go to the official Node.js website, and then click on this link. Okay, let's see what is the requirement of your system. Either it is the Windows, Linux, or go and select from there. Let's take this, open with NPM. Okay, v22, that's all. Okay, we need a window installer.msi. Click on that. So here we can see that it is installing there. Wait for that. And generally this is the LTS version here. You can see that are getting a pre-built Node.js for Windows. So here we choose our Windows. For Mac, people will choose Mac, Linux, X, and many more, running on a system x64 architecture. So that now we will go to the downloaded MSI. So click on that. You will got the pop-up just like that. Welcome to the Node.js setup wizard. Click on next. Check that box. Click on next. It is your file path, C program files Node.js. Click on next. Okay, click on next. Select this and click on next and install. And from here, click on yes. Now the necessary items are being installing in there by own. You can see there. So completed Node.js setup wizard has been successfully installed. Okay, finish. It will open the window PowerShell. After we will click on the continue option. All the required, just like chocolatey and many things that require to run the Node.js will be installed directly by it, and we do not require to install by our own cells. This installing system in our power cells are using own. Just like you can see, they are creating chocolatey CLI folders if they do not already exist. Python is not installed, so the version of something Python that is required in it will be also installed there. Okay, it takes some time, so if you do not install the VS Code, then please install. It is so simple. I'm not going to tell you how to install that. So we will go on our VS Code. So hey guys, we seen that how to install the Node.js. There is some remaining part of that we see. Here is the window PowerShell. Some of the required files are being installing there. We can see that is I think it's not working. Some error has been there. No. It has been installed there. So wait for some time. It will take some time, and then you can check from the CMD. So if you are on window, press window plus R, type CMD there and click on enter button. You will get the, and type here node and B. You will get it is being installing. So you can see there version 22.1.14.0. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Just go on VS Code to see if it is working or not. Okay. So make a new folder. Uh, Create new folder. That is the Node.js. Okay. You will need to provide administration permission to rename this file. Okay. Continue. So I think there is one Node.js in this. So Node.js, there are so many Node.js. Okay, just check it, change the folder name, guys. Mm, COURAC. I think there will be no any error. These are the, okay. Go on that. So more options. Open with VS Code. Okay. We require only one, so we will close one. No. There's something error, I think. So more options. Open with code. Okay. Okay. So on course we will go there and create a new file. Write the name first.js. So as you know, I think all of you had been done the JavaScript. So write here console.log. So hello engineers. Okay. Open the terminal from there. If you are on window, press here dir. It is there. Okay. Or if you are on Mac, you can write ls to reach there. Okay, so right here to run this file, write node first.js. Okay, now click enter. You will see the output here, guys. Hello engineers. Okay, thank you.